Here is how to fix the issue if invite friends option is not being displayed on your Facebook page. Hello and welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the problem if invite friends option is not being displayed on your Facebook page. So let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. Then after, switch to your page. As you switch to your page, go to the profile of your page and tap on these three dots. After that, tap on invite friends. Now tap on continue to switch profile. It will switch the profile with your actual Facebook profile. Now in order to invite, tap on these three dots once again. Then go to invite friends. After that, you can select the friends that you want to invite to like the page. After we have selected the friends, tap on send invitations. In this way, you can easily invite your friends if the invite friends option is not being displayed on the main screen of your page. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.